All right, so today we're going to talk about how to make the perfect YouTube video. Let's go. So sometimes people are, really worried about their background. That doesn't really matter. You could be in an elevator, you could be in a nice chair in a nice setting. You can be outside doing the walk and talk, or you can be inside. To tell you the truth, the background doesn't matter. And that's not really what's going to determine if your YouTube video is going to be the best video ever. The truth of the matter is it's really, really simple.
There was an article written by a guy named George Cal. He's talking about an experiment that they went over in a book called Art and Fear, where basically they had, in the experiment, they had a ceramics teacher, and the ceramics teacher broke the class up into two different groups. One of the groups was told that they were going to be graded completely on the quantity, the amount of pots that they were able to produce. The other group was told that they were going to be graded 100% on the quality of the pots that they produced. Both of them had the same amount of time, the same amount of resources, and when they lined them all up in the end, the highest quality that they found was actually from the people that were focusing on the quantity, not on the quality. And the same thing applies to YouTube videos. There is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all formula, which I'm sure is what you were hoping I was going to give you here. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all formula for how to make the perfect YouTube video. The thing is you got to practice. You just got to crank them out. You got to check out what your audience is reacting positively to, what they're not reacting to, and just keep on going. Through the art, through the process of producing and going through the maximum amount of quantity that you can, you're going to stumble onto what works. So don't stop till you find it. Keep going. Keep producing content. You're going to get better at it as you go. Don't worry about not being able to produce the most quality thing right away, because in the long run, the quantity, the practice, that's what's going to help you reach your goal. So that's how you make the perfect YouTube video. It's that easy. Get out there, start doing it.